Welcome back. So this is our weekly segment called Elena's Experiments, and I have Joaquin Castillo and his beautiful daughters here with me today. We wanted to have some fun with STEM over the summer, help bridge that learning gap a little bit, because I don't know about you guys, but I am just lost on things to do with the kids, and it's still only June. So Joaquin is here to have some fun with his daughters, and we're going to talk about some math fun that you can have. Tell us what you have here.
So what we did is we decided to count something.
Yes.
Now the official title for this activity is counting collections.
Okay.
And what you do, it's the activity's in the name. You count a collection of things.
Okay.
So what did we decide to count?
We decided to count cereal.
Cereal, right? Yeah. So what we did is we went to the store, bought a box of Honey Nut Cheerios, not regular Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios. And for this one, we bought a box of Fruit Loops.
Okay.
We wanted to count Fruit Loops. So we counted. This happened on Saturday, spread it out over our table.
Yeah.
And we put a little summary together of how we counted.
Okay.
So Nora, why don't you go ahead and tell us how you counted?
I started counting by 1s to 100.
Started counting by 1s to 100.
Then I counted by 30s and 10s.
Yeah, so 3 30s and a 10.
Interesting. Okay.
Make 100. And then what did you do?
And then I counted by hundreds.
How did you count these by hundreds? Do you remember what you were doing?
Oh yeah, so I scooped some from the box, and then I
thought it was like, that's close to 100, huh? And that's how you counted.
You estimated?
Yeah, she estimated. Which one was your favorite way to count?
My favorite way to count was by ones.
By
By
ones.
ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, and how many Fruit Loops were in that box? Do you remember?
1,000.
Oh, close. 2,766.
And the whole box.
In the whole box.
I wouldn't have known that, so I'm glad you counted for me.
And McKenna, you counted Honey Nut Cheerios.
Yes.
So how did you count?
So I took a group of 10s and I put them in 10 little cups.
Okay.
And then I poured them into a big cup.
And how many did you make in that big cup?
200.
200.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we added all those cups up, right? And how many Honey Nut Cheerios were in that box?
2,299.
Yep.
All right, fantastic.
She counted everything by one. Yeah.
So that's just the kids having fun with some cereal. I know we were joking earlier. My daughters would snack along the way and lose count. But can you talk about, for parents enforcing the math, what are some fundamentals they're learning?
So guess what, parents? It's super easy. Let the kids count.
Okay.
We don't tell them to put it in 10s or 20s or anything. They counted how they wanted to count, and we just let them have fun.
Yeah.
It can be hard to hold back. I know. We think, well, if you did it this way.
Why did you try?
It's all about them, and it's okay, and it's fun. And if they mess up along the way, we have conversations, no big deal.
Okay, and that's half the fun of learning, right?
Yeah.
It's just experimenting with all of it?
That's right. And you can count all kinds of things. What else could we count, girls? We talked.
Hair ties.
Okay.
Yeah, paper clips, paper all kinds of stuff. Yeah.
Countless things around the house, all for free, and having some fun. Nora, McKenna, Joaquin, thank you so much for coming down and having some fun with us.
Thanks for having us.
If you do this, share your pictures with us at the Kern County Superintendent of Schools and here at KGET. We'll be right back.